This 2005 Raleigh is all wrapped up. I'm gonna have to deliver this to the customer here probably tomorrow. Just took it for a test ride. Everything feels good. So excited to see this one go back and get somebody else out on the trails. Pretty much got the bike all together. We've gone through, we've repainted all the handlebars, the stem, got new tires on this, cleaned up the brake rotors, re-greased all the wheel bearings. His bottle cages have all been repainted. Still need to put on his air pump here still, but we got all new cables and housing all routed. His rear rack has been repainted so it's not all chipped up. Coming to the back, we got a brand new chain on here. Cassette's been repainted there on the back. Hub's been cleaned and greased. Bottom bracket's also been gone through. I re-greased that. Degreased our chain ring there so it's nice and clean. You'll also notice we've made some improvements. Got a new handlebar stem cap. That's nice and pretty. New grips that aren't all worn out. And we got the mirror back on the bike. See you later. It's Mike from Mobile Bike Medic.